Today we're bringing some light to my dark work area with this awesome dual monitor light. It brings so much light in front of you that you'll never have a problem seeing again. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, a mounting bracket, tools and hardware, your power cable, your foldable and fully adjustable dual monitor light, and then a base rod and a bendable attachment. Connect the bendable attachment to the dual monitor light. Then connect the other side of the bendable attachment to the metal rod. Tighten down your mounting plate and then slide in your dual monitor light and stand. Lock that down, then adjust your light however you like best. You can unfold the light bars as well as bend it up and down with ease. After you get it where you want it, plug it in and we're all good to go. Power it on and the room begins to glow. The immediate difference in brightness in my work area is more than noticeable. If anything, it can be too bright. But the good news is the dual monitor light is fully adjustable. The top of the dimmer light has touchscreen buttons that can dim the brightness. You can even adjust the color temperature of the light, so it's easier on the eyes in the evening and brighter during the day. This causes less strain on the eyes. I get headaches when I stare at bright monitors in the dark, or when I'm trying to paint under dim light. This has immediately relieved my eyes and helped cut back on the headaches. Now obviously this monitor light is great for a computer desk, but I love having this over my crafting area. I use this desk to paint and get organized for my projects. This is a big area and it needs a lot of light to cover it. This adjustable light has been perfect, whether it be for painting or working on a video project. I have plenty of light and I'm able to see it all. Due to the bendable attachment, I was even able to point the light at the ceiling. Then I turn up the brightness and bounce the light off the white ceiling. This lights the whole entire room and it brings me more light than my ceiling light on the light switch. This adjustable light has been perfect and has improved my productivity. Now that I can actually see to get stuff done, I do. I'm getting projects done faster, staying organized, and I'm loving being able to paint at my craft station after the sun goes down. So in conclusion, this dual monitor light looks good, it was easy to install, has adjustable color temperature, and adjustable positioning. It's super bright and covers so much area. I couldn't be happier with this light. So if you're looking for a monitor light or a light for your crafting area like me, then this light might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go paint some more under my new awesome dual monitor light. See ya.